Anchors are the bridges between traditional finance and digital assets. Think of it as a connection point that allows you to move money between your bank account and a blockchain network. Without anchors, we wouldn't be able to interact with the traditional finance world as effectively. They make decentralized finance more accessible by providing liquidity and on-off ramps for users. There are four main types of anchors which play different roles within the ecosystem. Fiat on-off ramps. These anchors allow users to deposit and withdraw fiat currencies by converting them to and from digital tokens. Stablecoin issuers are entities that issue stablecoins backed by reserves held in a custodial bank account. Remittance anchors specialize in international money transfers, enabling seamless cross-border payments. And crypto on-off ramps provide a bridge between other blockchain networks and Stellar, allowing assets to move freely across chains. Each type of anchor serves a unique purpose, making the network more robust and accessible worldwide. The Stellar Anchor Platform. The Stellar Anchor Platform is a ready-to-use software solution developed by the Stellar Development Foundation. It provides a standardized way for companies to become an anchor without having to build everything from scratch. This platform simplifies the process of integrating with Stellar by handling compliance, KYC, transaction monitoring, and even interfaces for deposits and withdrawals. For businesses looking to enter the Stellar ecosystem, the Anchor platform removes the technical and regulatory complexities, making it easier to onboard users and offer financial services globally. At a high level, the platform consists of several key components. The Stellar blockchain is the decentralized ledger where transactions take place. The Anchor backend, which is a middleware service that connects the business's internal systems to Stellar. Compliance and KYC modules, which handle identity verification and help simplify regulatory requirements. And a deposit and withdrawal APIs, which allow users to move funds between their bank accounts and Stellar. The platform is designed to be modular and scalable, ensuring that businesses of any size can leverage Stellar's capabilities efficiently. So how does the Anchor platform actually work in practice? Well, a user might initiate a deposit request via a front-end interface such as a banking app or a remittance service. The Anchor platform verifies the user's identity through KYC checks to ensure regulatory compliance. The user sends fiat money to the Anchor via traditional payment methods like bank transfers. The Anchor issues the equivalent digital token on the Stellar network and is credited to the user's Stellar wallet. When withdrawing, the process is simply reversed. The user burns the Stellar tokens and Anchor sends the fiat back to their bank account. This entire process can happen within seconds rather than days, as is common with traditional banking systems. Now let's take a look at how you can deploy the Stellar Anchor platform using Docker. So let's go ahead and set this up. In the Stellar GitHub account, we've got a repository called Anchor Platform. If we copy the URL for this, we can then open up Windows Subsystem for Linux or any version of Linux you want. And we can run git clone and put that URL in. We can now move into that repository. Let's clear the screen and go back to the GitHub README file, which has some commands here. I want to copy this docker compose command, which will create a stable release. Let's paste this in. I'm going to do sudo first to change to super user. I'm getting an error here that the Docker daemon isn't running. So to fix this, what I'm going to do is open up another window with Windows Subsystem for Linux and that's going to start the Docker daemon using the command dockerd. Now the Docker daemon's up and running, let's try that again. Boom. If we look into the files here, we can go into Docker Compose. And this is the starting point for the configuration for how you go about integrating Anchor services into your business logic. We can then use netcat to demonstrate that localhost on port 8080. And that's succeeded, and it means that we can connect that port on our local device. If we were running this on an external server, we could connect to that from anywhere in the world. This allows developers and businesses to quickly deploy and test an Anchor solution without having to manually configure each component. Real-world use cases, MoneyGram. One of the most compelling real-world applications for the Stellar Anchor platform is its integration with MoneyGram, a leading global financial technology company. MoneyGram has been a pioneer in cross-border payments, helping millions of users send and receive money worldwide. However, with the rise of blockchain technology, the company saw an opportunity to bridge the gap between traditional finance and digital assets. MoneyGram launched a groundbreaking fiat on-off ramp service in partnership with the Stellar Development Foundation. This integration enabled users of Stellar connected digital wallets to convert cash into USDC and withdraw USDC as cash at participating MoneyGram locations. This service was designed to improve financial inclusion, especially for the billions of people who rely on cash but lack access to traditional banking services. Through this partnership with Stellar, MoneyGram is demonstrating how blockchain can power real-world solutions, making financial services faster, more inclusive, and more efficient. Anchors play a crucial role in making blockchain accessible to everyone, bridging the gap between traditional finance and digital assets. If you're interested in becoming an anchor on Stellar or integrating an anchor platform into your business, there's a full tutorial link to in the description. Thank you for watching.